Hello, my name is Steve. I'm a regional manager at a pharma company. The cycle is ending, and I want to check the current performance of my team to adjust their actions in time. I open the section with Power BI reports. I have Power BI reports embedded in my CRM, so there's no need to log in elsewhere. I have access to all the analytics directly from the CRM system. I open the report with various breakdowns of the information related to the performance of my employees. I see the performance data of my employees and can analyze it in different ways. First, I examine the overall performance of the cycle task by employees, displaying it in various charts and graphs. Next, I want to analyze the coverage of doctors. I go to the Doctor Coverage tab. I analyze the performance of the doctor coverage by employees across targets and categories. Then I evaluate how successful my employees are in completing the promotional plan. I review the current situation regarding my team's training and their competence levels. After that, I return to the cycle plans to review them more thoroughly. Since I use Power BI, I have access to all its capabilities, so I first move to the compliance frequency assessment and want to take a closer look at our graph. I can expand it to full screen and analyze which employees have deviations in frequency. Then I go back to the report and export the data to Excel. After that, I decide to send messages to those employees whose planned frequency does not match the actual one. I select the employees I want to send the message to, and using the messaging feature, send them the message I wanted to deliver directly from the Power BI analytics. The system redirects me to the messaging interface, where the employees I want to send the message to are already selected. I just need to enter the subject and type of message. I've entered the message I want to send and forwarded it directly to my subordinates. I can control when they receive it, and I'll know when my employees have read the message.